I love my smile. I'm not subconscious about it anymore at all. One of the big things was I was always very subconscious about my smile, especially when meeting new strangers. I never really wanted to even open my mouth. So I was like, man, I'm tired of my teeth being little crickets. I just wanted to straighten them out and really be able to feel confident again, whether it's taking photos or whether it's talking, meeting new people. Both my top and front teeth were straightened out, which was really big for me. And yeah, I just feel like this a big sense of confidence in my everyday life, whether it's at work, home, or whether it's just spending time with family and friends. I definitely highly recommend Shoal Creek Smiles. They're such an awesome team. Whether it's making you feel supported, they're very knowledgeable. And one of the things I really, really appreciated was they were so caring in the fact of understanding my situation and working with my insurance to make sure that this was possible.